Welcome to redink tutorials. In this video, I will show you how you can use redink to correct and improve your text. I have here an open Word document. You can, if you want to correct this text, simply select it and click on correct. This will send it to the AI and implement your changes. This will happen in track changes mode, so you can accept or revoke these changes. If you want to go a bit further, you can also select some of the other offerings here, some of the other features, improve, for example, or no filler words, more friendly, more convincing. I will select now improve. This will give a more heavy markup. And you will see here again what has happened. It has updated the text. Now, the same thing also works with comments. If I add here a comment, this is an important part with a mistake in it. I click into the comment and again press correct. It will show you the track changes in a separate window because track changes is not supported in the comment field, and it will simply update the comment. You can also go and apply the same type of correction feature in Outlook. There again, you go and select the text, click correct, and because Outlook doesn't support track changes, redink offers you its own version of it. You will get all the changes here. You can go and click on them and have them accepted or rejected. And at the end, simply insert the reviewed text. Now, if you want to correct in a Word document a larger number of paragraphs, an entire file, I recommend you not to do it in the way I've shown it. This will take too much time. There is a different method, a file-based method, which is more effective for entire documents, will also better preserve formatting, and it will be able to process also up to a few hundreds of pages if you need so. To use that, you can use the same correct feature, but do not select anything. So nothing selected, and simply press correct. You can now drag and drop the file into this small form. You can also take a full directory of Word documents or PowerPoints to have them corrected. And you can also use the currently active document. It will then save it and use it basically as a basis for the correction, so you will get a separate document, which I will now do. Always select preserve formatting alignment if your LLM is powerful enough, which usually is, and then you have to wait because it will process the document in batches and it will show you the progress. This doesn't take too long. At the end, two things will appear on your desktop. You see them here, which is a clean version of the corrected document and the compare version, which I will open now. And so Word is opening it. Here it's coming. So here is the Word document with the corrections in it. And this is it for this session of the redink tutorials. See you in the next video.